With the rise of accessibility awareness, more families and individuals are searching for SUV-compatible wheelchair solutions that offer convenience, safety, and mobility. Whether for transporting wheelchairs, seniors, or individuals with disabilities, the right mobility gear can transform any SUV into a fully accessible vehicle. List number: Intelligent electric wheelchairs for adults. App Remote Control. This intelligent electric wheelchair brings innovation to mobility, offering app-based remote control that enhances user independence and caregiver assistance. Its compact design makes it highly compatible with SUVs, especially when paired with a carrier ramp. Lightweight and foldable, it's ideal for travel and storage, fitting easily into most SUV trunks. The powerful dual-motor system ensures smooth rides across various terrains. List number 2. 30 miles longest range electric wheelchair. 25 Ah lithium battery. If you're looking for maximum travel range in an electric wheelchair, this model delivers big. With a powerful 25 Ah lithium battery, it offers up to 30 miles per charge, making it ideal for long trips or extended daily use. Despite its heavy-duty specs, it's foldable and compact enough to fit into most SUV cargo spaces with a ramp or lift. List number 3. Drive Medical SSP118FA SF Silver Sport 1 Folding Transport Wheelchair. A trusted name in mobility, Drive Medical offers a budget-friendly, lightweight wheelchair that fits seamlessly into almost any SUV. The Silver Sport 1 is a manual transport wheelchair, ideal for users with a caregiver or assistant. It folds easily, making storage and SUV trunks hassle-free. List number 4. Medline XL Extra Wide Bariatric Wheelchair for adults and seniors. If you need a heavy-duty wheelchair with extra width, the Medline XL Bariatric model is built to deliver comfort and stability. Designed for larger adults or seniors, it boasts a 600-pound weight capacity with a strong steel frame. While heavier than other models, it remains SUV-friendly with a carrier ramp system. List number 5. Silver Spring 48 by 28 Steel Scooter Wheelchair Carrier with 60-inch ramp. If you already own a wheelchair or mobility scooter, this Silver Spring carrier can instantly make your SUV wheelchair accessible. It features a 48 by 28 platform with a 60-inch foldable ramp, allowing you to load electric or manual wheelchairs with ease. Compatible with Class 3 or 4 2-inch hitches, it fits most SUVs and crossovers.